A drone is such a slick piece of technology, and it can help you with a variety of things such as adding production value to a film project or helping you get a unique view for your travel vlog or just for the sheer enjoyment of flying it. Today, we have compiled a list of the best drones around for all budgets, so no one is left behind. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First on our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, a drone that marries a lightweight build with pro-grade features. While not a drastic departure from its predecessor, the Mini 3 Pro, it offers an enhanced experience. If you own the Mini 3 Pro, upgrading may not be essential, but for those new to the Mini series, it's an excellent choice. Retaining the familiar folding design and regulation-friendly 249-gram weight, the Mini 4 Pro boasts a 1/1.3-inch sensor for exceptional image quality. With processing updates, it excels in handling low-light noise. Videographers will appreciate the new D-Log-M color profile for improved consistency. Notably, obstacle avoidance is now omnidirectional, enhancing safety for indoor and near-tree operations. The Active Track 360-degree feature makes it beginner-friendly. Consider the DJI RC2 controller for the ultimate backpack-friendly drone bundle. Next up is the DJI Mini 3, a standout budget drone for those not prioritizing collision avoidance. Compact, lightweight, and more budget-friendly than the Mini 4 Pro, it matches its pricier counterpart in image quality. If you're comfortable navigating obstacles without automated assistance, this high-quality drone is adept at capturing excellent JPEG and RAW stills, along with 4K video at up to 30 FPS. Notably, its 12-megapixel sensor can rotate for portrait shots. While lacking log profiles may deter professionals and the absence of subject tracking is a downgrade from the Pro version, the Mini 3 still boasts quick shots for beginners to capture cinematic footage with automated flight paths. With the optional controller, it's an easy drone to pilot, aided by downward vision sensors and GPS for hovering assistance. While stepping up to the Mavic 3 Classic provides better image quality and increased stability in windy conditions, the Mini 3, with a respectable flight time of 25 minutes, checks all the essential boxes for budget buyers. The DJI Air 3, a substantial upgrade over the already impressive Air 2S from 2021, boasting dual cameras and enhanced wind resistance. Weighing in at 720 grams, it falls into Europe's C1 category, subject to more restrictions and sub-250-gram drones in this list. However, the benefits are substantial, including an impressive 46-minute flight time. In testing done by TechRadar, the DJI Air 3 showcased class-leading image quality, a hallmark of DJI products. While fixed apertures may pose a challenge for ND filter users, the 3x zoom lens allows safe and legal shooting distances, particularly advantageous for capturing wildlife. Given its size, the Air 3 may be more daunting for novices compared to the Mini 3. Nevertheless, beginners will likely find piloting the Air 3 accessible, thanks to its user-friendly interface and essential safety features. Positioned between the more budget-friendly Mini 3 Pro and the highly capable Mavic 3 Pro, the DJI Air 3 offers a sensible middle ground. DJI's new flagship, the Mavic 3 Pro, the first consumer drone equipped with 3 cameras, 2 more than most pilots typically need. However, if you're an aerial photographer or videographer seeking the most versatile drone on the market, our testing indicates that the Mavic 3 Pro is the premium choice for you. The image quality of the main 24mm 4/3 camera, the same one used by the Mavic 3 Classic, to be the best. It excels in adjustable aperture, formats, and frame rates. Both telephoto cameras also deliver excellent images with the added advantage of a 3x and 7x zoom option, proving incredibly useful in various scenarios. Despite its professional-grade capabilities, the Mavic 3 Pro to be remarkably easy to fly, supported by excellent safety features that make it accessible to all users. However, its pro-tier video modes and higher price point might be considered overkill for beginners. Additionally, its weight places it in the restrictive C2 European drone category. Nevertheless, if you're in the market for a top-tier drone that is both portable and less expensive than the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 Pro offers it all, plus 2 telephoto lenses. Finally, the Evo Lite Plus, positioned as a direct competitor to DJI's Air 2S, capable of capturing 5.4K footage at 30 FPS. With a 1-inch sensor, it shares a remarkably similar spec sheet with its rival. However, it not only matches but surpasses the Air 2S and even the Mavic Pro 2 with an impressive 40-minute flight time and an adjustable aperture ranging from f-stop of 2.8 to an f-stop of 11. While the Lite Plus lacks the fourth-axis stabilization of its Evo Lite counterpart, its larger pixels enhance light-gathering potential in dim conditions. For professional drone videographers, the absence of 10-bit video and a D-Log profile might give pause, and the omission of side sensors for obstacle avoidance is a drawback. However, our review revealed the Lite Plus to be an impressively versatile flying camera with its 20-megapixel sensor, possibly making it the best camera available on a drone today for the money, presenting serious competition for the Air 2S. And that concludes today's video. Did this guide assist you in finding the perfect drone, or do you have any honorable mentions to share? Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.